Ever wondered what people can create with a bit of ingenuity, some common tools, and a lot of determination? Imagine transforming everyday materials into extraordinary, functional, and sometimes futuristic devices. From flying machines to touch-sensitive furniture, today we'll dive into 8 mind-blowing homemade projects that will make you rethink what's possible with DIY. Let's explore these fantastic inventions that not only showcase human creativity, but also push the boundaries of what we can achieve in our own garages and workshops. Number 1. Manned drone. First up, we have a project that takes DIY to new heights, literally. Some folks struggle to hang a picture straight, but a group of young craftsmen from Hong Kong built their own manned drone. Inspired by the design of civilian drones, they calculated the size, weight, and power needed for a single-seat aircraft. Using 8 3D printers, they meticulously printed the fuselage, which they then glued and sanded by hand. The drone features 4 electric motors, each driving 2 propellers, providing enough thrust for vertical takeoff with a lightweight pilot. While it won't pass aviation regulations, it's a thrilling ride that beats any bike trip. Imagine cruising above the ground, feeling the wind rush past you. It's a dream come true for any aviation enthusiast. Number 2. Touch LED table. If you're prone to late-night trips to the kitchen, the Touch LED table is a game changer. This innovative piece of furniture combines functionality with a dash of futuristic flair. The table's top layer features a honeycomb pattern, intricately carved and filled with epoxy resin. Hidden beneath this surface are LED strips and sensors that light up with a simple touch, emitting a soothing blue glow. The wiring is expertly concealed, maintaining a clean and polished look. Once sanded and varnished, the table becomes the centerpiece of any room, blending seamlessly with its surroundings while offering a touch of modern magic. It's not just a table, it's an interactive experience, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. Perfect for adding a unique touch to your home decor, the Touch LED table is both a functional piece of art and a conversation starter. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet night at home, this table is sure to impress and illuminate your life. Number 3. Front loader. Imagine transforming your garage into a workshop for heavy machinery. That's exactly what one inventive YouTuber did by building his own front loader. Starting with a structural channel, hydraulic cylinders, and a 4-stroke engine, he meticulously welded the frame and added wheels connected by a chain drive. The heart of the loader is its gas engine and hydraulic motors, which power the lifting gear. Inside the cab, simplicity reigns with a plastic chair and manual levers for control. Over a year of rigorous testing, this homemade loader cleared snow, dug soil, and hauled scrap metal, proving its robustness. Except for a minor hiccup with a carburetor, it performed flawlessly. This project is a testament to what can be achieved with mechanical skill and persistence. It's not just a machine, it's a DIY marvel that rivals commercial equipment, inspiring others to bring their mechanical dreams to life. Number 4. LEGO Full Auto P90. For gaming enthusiasts and LEGO lovers alike, the LEGO Full Auto P90 is a must-see creation. This detailed replica of the iconic Belgian FNP-90 submachine gun, popularized by games like Counter-Strike, is crafted entirely from LEGO Technic pieces. Ingeniously designed, it can fire rubber bands in rapid succession, holding up to 20 rounds per magazine. Swapping out an empty magazine for a fresh one takes just seconds, ensuring continuous action. This model not only captures the futuristic aesthetic of the original weapon, but also functions as a fully operational rubber band gun. The construction process is an engaging challenge, involving over 1,000 LEGO pieces that come together to form this impressive device. Beyond its play value, the LEGO Full Auto P90 stands as a testament to what can be achieved with creativity and patience. It's a fun, safe way to enjoy the thrill of a favorite video game weapon in real life, perfect for collectors and hobbyists. Number 5. Tesla Roadster. Building a car from scratch might sound like a daunting task, but a dedicated enthusiast took on the challenge and created a homemade Tesla Roadster. Over 3 years, he meticulously crafted this electric vehicle in his garage. Starting with computer modeling, he welded a tubular frame and fitted it with electric motors and batteries. The wiring, a complex and time-consuming part of the project, stretched for what seemed like miles. The car's body, molded from plastic, was polished to a high sheen, making it almost indistinguishable from the factory model. Now cruising the streets, this DIY Tesla Roadster turns heads and sparks curiosity. It's a shining example of what passion and perseverance can achieve, transforming spare parts into a sleek, functional electric car. This homemade vehicle is not just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of innovation and creativity, pushing the boundaries of DIY projects. Number 6. Cyberpunk Katana. Step into the world of Cyberpunk 2077 with this incredible DIY Cyberpunk Katana. Crafted by a Japanese enthusiast, this futuristic weapon brings the iconic blade from the game to life. The katana features a glowing blade made from an orange plastic piece illuminated by an LED strip, creating a captivating visual effect. The handle is intricately designed, secured with bolts, and wrapped in colored wires, adding to its high-tech appearance. 2 battery packs are cleverly hidden under sturdy body plates, ensuring a seamless look. A ring of light bulbs emits a striking red and green glow, enhancing the katana's cyberpunk aesthetic. This project isn't just a simple replica, it's a fully functional piece of art, perfect for cosplay or display. Whether you're heading to a convention or simply want to showcase your love for the cyberpunk genre, this katana is sure to impress. It's a brilliant fusion of traditional craftsmanship and futuristic design, capturing the essence of the game. Number 7. Moab. Meet the Moab, or mother of all blasters, a homemade foam dart-firing machine gun that takes playtime to the next level. Created by a young inventor known as Gatling Tommy, this formidable blaster can fire up to 50 darts per second with an impressive capacity of 430 darts. The Moab's design is both ingenious and playful, making it a standout in the world of DIY projects. The main challenge lies in its reloading process, as each dart must be meticulously loaded into a cartridge, formed into a ribbon, and stored in a special box. Despite this, the Moab offers unparalleled fun, perfect for epic foam dart battles. It's not just a toy, it's a testament to what can be achieved with creativity, determination, and a love for innovative play. Gatling Tommy's creation inspires others to think outside the box and push the boundaries of DIY ingenuity. Whether for a fun skirmish with friends or as a unique showpiece, the Moab is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 8. Rubber Band and Disc Shooter. Inspired by the horror game Dead Space, Japanese toy weapons maker Totsuka designed a unique gun that shoots steel discs. This formidable creation can punch through thin plastic and even wreck a cucumber, making it too dangerous for children. The gun lacks automatic reloading, requiring manual reloads after each shot. For a safer alternative, Totsuka also crafted a rubber band version of the Colt 1911. This model, while harmless, can still provide hours of fun, capable of knocking over plastic cups without causing any real damage. Both versions of Totsuka's creations showcase his skill and creativity in toy weapon design. The disc shooter, with its precision and power, and the rubber band gun, with its playful simplicity, both highlight the range of possibilities in DIY weaponry. Whether for serious hobbyists or casual fun, these projects offer a glimpse into the fascinating world of homemade gadgets, combining engineering prowess with imaginative play. There you have it, 8 ingenious homemade projects that showcase the incredible creativity and skill of DIY enthusiasts. These projects range from practical innovations like the front loader and touch LED table to whimsical creations like the Lego P90 and Cyberpunk Katana. They remind us that with a bit of imagination and effort, we can transform everyday materials into extraordinary inventions. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.